Okay, so here are all the U.S. states and a comparable sized country. Oh yeah, I'm not going to use the same country twice. Which means if it says the same country, I'm going to just use a country just similar size that I haven't used yet. The other comparable one. California. It's comparable to Iraq. Okay. California. Alexa, how big is California?
California has a total land area of 163,695 square miles.
160.
Making it third out of the 50 U.S. states. Additionally,
oh, Alexa, home. Going to be focusing on my state. 163,000 miles. Square miles. Iraq is 169,000. So Iraq is 6,000 square kilometers bigger than California. Warning, this is not the state I live in. The state I live in is actually the third most populous, Florida. Comment me if you visited Florida before, because you really want to check out it. Oh yeah, it really has a lot of major cities, including Pensacola, Panama City, Tallahassee, the capital of the state, Jacksonville, Miami, Key West, Tampa, which is obviously the nearest to me is obviously Tampa. Lakeland is a little bit major too, though. Okay, St. Petersburg is also major. Clearwater, Kissimmee, which is basically the city south of much more major Orlando. Gainesville, Ocala, Fort Lauderdale, and West Palm Beach. Yeah, this is basically like a major city madhouse. So check out Florida. I'm saying the sponsor of this video should anyways be Florida. Just check it out, please. Okay, back to the size comparison. Oregon. Okay, comparable to Ecuador. So, Ecuador is 106,000 square kilometers, while Oregon is 98,000 square kilometers. So there's a whole 8,000 square kilometer difference in this somehow. Washington. We're not talking about the city, we're talking about the state. It's comparable to Syria. Right next to California's home on. Actually, it can't be too close either. Okay. Yeah. Maybe about the size of Bulgaria. Yeah. This state is 71,000 square kilometers, so it's a whole 20,000 square kilometers smaller than Oregon. And Bulgaria is 42,000. Yeah. Washington isn't very comparable to that at all. Alexa, how big is Romania?
Romania is 92,000 square miles.
Yeah, that's not. Seems like I only have one option. To actually just ditch these two. So I make space for it. Yeah. Go all the way to the bottom. Washington, 71,000 square kilometers. Syria, 71,000 square kilometers. There's only a 301 square kilometer difference between them, so they're almost the same size. Syria is just 300. Seems like Washington's only 300 square kilometers smaller. Oh yeah. Tell me if you live in any of the countries any of the whatever. Just oh yeah. Look, you might be afraid Hawaii and Alaska and Hawaii people. You might be afraid I might not include you, but don't worry. I will include all this in just a few videos. Get back into it again. Nope. Get these down here. Look over Idaho. Idaho. Yep. See the one over Idaho? That's Florida. It's comparable to Guyana. 83,000 square kilometers. Guyana. Also 83,000 square kilometers. There's only a 570 square kilometer difference between them. Seems like the state is only 500 square kilometers bigger. Actually, I can use this in country twice. When this video reaches 14 minutes and 30 videos, I'll stop it. Actually, I'm going to stop it right now. Well, after the fifth one. Don't worry. I'm going to do you Alaska and Hawaii over at the end. Don't worry. Burkina Faso, right there. Do you know it's also the warmest average country in the world? The country is 105,000 square kilometers. While Nevada is a whole 10,000 square kilometers bigger. Okay, bye. See you in my next one. Which is going to pop up literally when this one's fully published.